So we're going to be installing the rear underside spoilers now, and for these you will need to take the wheels off because we're going to have to do some drilling right around here, so you won't have any clearance to get your drill in there unless you remove the wheels. So let's get started. And this is a good chance to check out, rear suspension, braking system. Everything's brand new, of course. The first thing we're going to do is clean up the area. We have to use some template stickers to know where we're going to be drilling. So we want to clean the area, but not only that, you don't want to have a bunch of road grime and dirt underneath the lip spoiler after you install it, right? And there's two patterns that come with the kit for the right and left side. We are on the driver's side, so we're going to be using the left hand template, and we're just going to stick it here. So I ended up using painter's tape to get the template in place and get my marks, my drilling marks right here and here. And we're going to be doing this drilling in 2 stages, just like we've done from the front lip. First a 3mm or 1/8 drill bit, and then we're going to expand the holes into 1564 or 6mm drill bits. One and 2. So now we're gonna grab the bag of hardware and we're gonna grab these two clips here, and you can see the 2 clips mounted here already. We're gonna be replacing this factory clip here. We're gonna use another one that came with the kit once we mount the spoiler. Now we're gonna grab some of this double-sided tape here, and we're gonna peel off just a little bit on the edges on each end so that we can have some room to play with. I'm gonna use some tape here to leave it just like that, and we'll do the same on this side here. Next step, we're actually going to mount this thing now here and use the 2 screws provided to attach it here, and I guess the glue on this side here. So we're not going to tighten the screws all the way, we're just going to tighten temporarily so that we can finish off the rest of the hardware install. The clip that came with the kit that we're going to be using to replace the one we took off. Right, now that the clip's on and we have it where we want it, we can go ahead and use the double-sided tape to finish it off. So we're going to peel off the little pieces that we left. Just gonna apply some pressure for a few seconds here, make sure it sticks. I think that's good. And now we can tighten the screws. And that's the finished product right there.